completely blocked!
Yes, we're completely blocked. We need assistance immediately at the Gold...
10-4. I'm on my way.
All right, let's go!
All units, we have a confirmed rollover at the Canyon Overlook. One officer is en route, others... Rescue services, how can I help you? Yes, understood. We're on our way.
Okay already.
Go, go, go! Get those doors open!
We're loaded. Moving out.
To Rescue 1, we have a rollover accident at Sector Gamma, mile marker 42, involving heavy machinery. ETA 5 minutes.
Oh no, there's a fire over there. Call the fire brigade.
Hold it, I've got a solid contact. Stop excavation immediately. It's the vehicle. All right, easy now. Take it up slow.
Oh yeah!
Keep going.
Woohoo! Watch the clearance on the left side. Pulse is weak but stable. Let's
Oh
move
my
him
God.
carefully.
Help me! Help me!
Copy that. Moving to the ambulance now.
Let's go!
Load the green one.
Watch the edge there.
Okay, good, let's move.
All right, slow it down a bit there. I'm smoothing this edge now.
Easy now. Slow it down right there. All right, slowing her down.
The road is perfect now.
Yes, the traffic is moving well.
Confirmed. Bank alarm. Suspect vehicle, red sports coupe number 985, Lightning McQueen, evading capture on Route 66. All available. Ouch! We need immediate backup and heavy rescue at the desert intersection. Vehicle partially submerged. Driver trapped. Dispatch, we have a situation at the Radiator Springs bypass. A red sports car is nose first in the sinkhole, requesting immediate...
Understood. On my way.
Attention Rescue 1. Structure fire reported at Sector 4, Oasis. All units confirmed on...
Now. I'm looking at the site now. The asphalt is cracked and there's a large water pit. We've got cones up, awaiting the recovery. I'm heading out now. All right, team, let's get started. Excavator, clear that northwest corner. All right, men, the convoy's here. We need the edge there. Keep it coming.
over there. Call the fire brigade.
911, what's your emergency?
I am ready.
All right, let's go!
Over here! The bridge gave way. Oh, no! Sir, are you injured? Oh, I'm okay. The bridge just collapsed right in front of me. All right, folks, we need to clear the area. Did anyone see what happened just before the collapse? Dispatch, we're at the collapse section. I need a heavy-duty tow for a red sports car and receive the distress signal. We are en route. The Porsche is secured. We're rolling out.
Oh, yeah!
Roger that. We'll handle the scene here. Thanks.
No, the train derailed. I've got to...
Hear me? There's a train stopped on the track.
We have a confirmed accident on the main highway. Multiple vehicles involved.
Mission is escalating. Mobilize the rest.
Dispatch to all units. The train derailment is confirmed at Sector Gamma. Proceed with caution. We have a visual on the wreck. Keep it steady.
Oh, yeah!
Bring it up. Set her down gently.
Lift it slowly, watch the tension on the cables. Easy now, pivot to the right. All right, bring it down gently. Looks aligned. Disengage the hook.
Need to check the alignment on the coupling.
The bolts are secure now. Look at that, it's finally moving. Fantastic work, team.